Meaning of the English idiom, no great shakes. When something is no great shakes, it is ordinary, mediocre, average, or not very good. Also, unimportant, insignificant, or uninteresting. Often, but not always referring to a person, no great shakes can describe someone with little skill or value at what they do. Examples of use. Even after all the classes, Leona is no great shakes as an actor. She should stick to her day job. I made dinner, but I warn you, I'm no great shakes at cooking. As a cook, I'm no great shakes, but I'm an excellent baker. I don't know why everyone is making such a big deal out of his latest book. It's no great shakes. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since the early 1800s. The most common suggestion for its origin is that the idiom arose from playing dice, where if you shake the dice and have a bad throw, you have had no great shake. Also claimed is the odd but apparently common notion that if you shake the dice, you will always have a bad throw. There are other idioms using the word shake that seem also to be related to dice. A fair shake, meaning a fair chance or a fair bargain. And in two shakes, meaning in a moment. At one time, no great shake may have been used to mean a bad bargain, making it the opposite of a fair shake. Another quite old suggestion that turned up in my literature search is that the idiom arose from the shaking of walnut trees to dislodge the nuts. If the walnut crop is no good, there will be no great shakes. As well, at one time it was thought that the idiom came from the idea that you could judge someone's character from their handshake. The most credible origin seems to be the first, having to do with playing and shaking dice.